Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We've reached our cruising altitude.
We all know that voice. Deep, calm, and strangely attractive. In pop culture, it's called the pilot voice. But why does almost every pilot sound like a late-night radio DJ? Is it actually a requirement for the job? The truth is, it's not an accident at all. That voice is the result of a fascinating combination of history, psychology, and audio engineering. It all starts with a man named Chuck Yeager. In 1947, Yeager became the first human to break the sound barrier. He was a test pilot from West Virginia with a very distinctive way of speaking. Slow, relaxed, and effortlessly cool, even when his aircraft was spinning out of control. He sounded like he was casually ordering a cup of coffee. And because he became the ultimate hero of the skies, other pilots began to subconsciously copy that calm, confident tone. This phenomenon is now known as the Yeager Effect.
Good morning from the flight deck. We're currently flying over the beautiful Alps at 38,000 feet. We anticipate a smooth arrival in Istanbul.
But let's be realistic. Today pilots aren't trying to flirt with you from the cockpit. That sexy tone is actually a byproduct of safety and professionalism. First, let's talk about training. Clear communication is critical in aviation. Pilots are trained to speak with precise enunciation and a steady rhythm, so air traffic control never misunderstands a command. They're not trying to be charming, they're trying to be clear. Secondly, there's a powerful psychological factor at play. Imagine hitting turbulence and hearing the pilot screaming into the microphone in a high-pitched panic. Instant chaos would break out in the cabin. Instead, pilots intentionally lower their pitch and slow their speech to project authority and confidence. That calm delivery quietly reassures our brains, making us feel safe, and we interpret that confidence as attractive. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, it comes down to technology itself. Aircraft radios use amplitude modulation or AM frequencies. These systems are designed to cut through the constant noise of wind and jet engines. To do that, the microphones filter out the higher frequencies, the treble, and primarily transmit lower frequencies, the bass. So even a pilot naturally has a higher voice, the radio suppresses the high notes and amplifies those deep, resonant tones. So the next time you hear that smooth voice from above, remember, it's not just a cool accent. It's the result of elite training, psychological reassurance, and the noise-cancelling microphone doing its jobs perfectly.